Pros versus.
Hold my beer for a second. Watch this.
Well, I got these 3 feet done here, so I just got to do the whole rest of this one. Yeah, what's up, Duke? Yeah. No, I can't make it. No. Yeah. She's got me cleaning the gutters today. Well, I already got these 3 feet of the gutters done, so I can't imagine the rest. Now I'm really getting in my stride. Yeah. No. Yeah, I'm still cleaning the gutters. Yep. What do you mean we gotta rinse it? You mean like with the hose? We'll do a pepperoni and mushroom. Yeah. No, I'm just gonna knock these couple out here. Maybe put these bits down. Oh gosh. Yeah, I know how to use the ladder, honey. It's not that heavy. I know I have a bad back. I'll be fine. It's gonna be plenty tall. Oh jeez. Holy smokes, she's wobbly. No, it's plenty sturdy. Yeah. That's not tall, huh? What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm cleaning the gutters. I know. Well, no, I'm not. I do not get distracted every time I'm working on a project. Let me in, I promise I'll finish cleaning the gutters. If I was just like a half inch taller. Here we go. Oh. Oh boy. Oh gosh. Yeah, I checked the power switch. Where's the power switch on this thing? Yeah, it's not really working that good either. Oh boy. Didn't even know we had gutters up there. What was the name of that company you're talking about? Hey, Kahuna window cleaning. I'm gonna need some help. Well, I tried cleaning my gutters. Bring your, you're gonna need a really tall ladder. I don't know if you can reach it. I got a pretty tall house. I couldn't get up there with my ladder. What do you do with all the stuff? You take the stuff away? Oh yeah, my wife got pretty bad when I threw it on the driveway. Yeah, then she had to tell me to go back. Yeah, you probably heard that one before too. Yeah, no, I didn't forget about the gutter stuff. No, I'll take care of it. I'll put it down in the yard waste bin. Yeah, I'll take care of it. All right, good to go. Yeah, I had to go back and clean it up. I just kicked it in the bushes. You guys take it all away though, huh? Wow, you guys are awesome.